How to fix Google Play Store waiting for download error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix Google Play Store waiting for download error. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new videos. Now let's jump right in. So to fix this issue, we'll first go through some basic troubleshooting. First is restarting your device. For that, press on the power button and the volume up button together, and you should find the restart option. Tap on restart, and a simple restart can often fix temporary glitches. So try that out, and if that does not work, you'll need to check for your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. So whichever it is, make sure you have a good internet. Then what you'll need to do is check your date and time. So to do that, you can head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you'll need to find your times setting. So to find that, first head over to your system. On your system, you'll find date and time. And here, just toggle on this set automatically option. And that should fix the problem. Now, if even that does not work, you will need to go to your settings again. Head over to apps. Head over to your Google Play Store. Tap on see all apps to find all of the apps. And simply search for Google Play Store. After you find Google Play Store, open it up. And right here, head over to storage and cache. From here, clear out your cache and tap on clear storage or clear data and confirm. And doing all of those will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.